Hi, my name is Brian Somoukian. I'm a data analyst at TalentPath, and I'd like to talk to you about a project that I've worked on recently with my team. So this website is a website made by the engineers on our team, and it has a few different tabs on it. You can check out a breakdown of the members of our team right here, and some links to our LinkedIn and GitHub pages. Here's the about page, and here is the dashboard the that the data analyst and I worked on together. So this dashboard has a few different breakdowns of the diversity in the government, in the US government specifically, over the past 50 years. So the first is a breakdown of ethnicity by decade. So depending on whether you have governor or mayor selected, it will show you that data broken down. And you can actually change it from ethnicity data to gender data to prior occupation data. Additionally, you can actually right click on an individual state. So, for example, let's say I want to view Texas. You could right click, drill through, click no city because we're selecting the whole state of Texas, and we can actually see the individual people that were elected to office for the position of governor in Texas. If you selected mayor on the previous section, it would break down into mayor data rather than governor data. Additionally, on the right hand side, we have um, graphs that show you when people's terms began, and depending on whether or not they were white, Asian, African American, or male or female, it will be indicated on these graphs on the right hand side. As you can see, 1991 was the first female term in Texas, and that was Ann Richards, as we can see on the left hand side here. So this is, and then there's a second page right here for Senate and representative data. It's essentially more of the same. It has the same exact drill down capabilities as before, so you can browse it in a similar fashion. Additionally, I'd like to show you some of the back end work that we did. So we didn't actually have easy access to governor information, so everyone on our team went through some Wikipedia pages, and we manually filled in these Excel spreadsheets with information about their name, the state they're from, the year their term began, ended, ethnicity, gender, their age at appointment, whether or not they are currently alive, their previous occupation, as well as a photo URL, which is how we populated the dashboard with those photos. And then what we did was we had to find a way to, so our engineers took this data and posted it onto the back end of the website in this format. And then myself and the data analyst came up with this code, as you can see here, to scrape the data from the previous page I just showed you and export it into a CSV format. So let me just scroll through some of the code here for you if you want to get a better look at it. The code primarily used beautiful soup as well as requests underscore HTML and also pandas. So after all these lines of code, we exported data into CSV files, and then we uploaded those CSV files into Power BI, which is where we did the majority of the analytical work, and that's how this dashboard is supported on this website through Power BI. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at my email address, bsamoukian@talentpath.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day.